Hey friends, welcome back to our English Corner. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel stuck because you don't know what to say in English? Don't worry, today I've got something super helpful for you. We are going to learn 5 everyday English phrases that people use all the time. These are short, powerful, and easy to remember. And the best part, you won't just learn them, you will also practice speaking them with me. So stay with me until the end, because by the finish, you'll be able to use these phrases like a pro in daily life. Ready? Let's go!
John, you said you would help me move my boxes, but you never came.
Oh, I'm sorry, Anna. I really wanted to help.
But you didn't show up. You know what they say, actions speak louder than words.
You're right. Next time I will actually come and help.
Good job, everyone! The phrase is actions speak louder than words. It means what you do is more important than what you say. For example, if I say, I will study English, but I don't study, my words mean nothing. Another way to understand it is, I will show it, not just say it. So don't only talk, do it. Now repeat with me. Actions speak louder than words. What you do is more important than what you say. I will show it, not just say it.
John, you are so late. The movie already started.
I know I'm sorry. The bus was very slow today.
We missed the beginning.
True, but at least I'm here now. Better late than never.
Okay, let's just enjoy the rest of the movie.
The phrase is better late than never. It means it's better to do something late than not do it at all. For example, if I finish my homework one day late, I can still say, better late than never. Another way to say it is, late is okay, but nothing is not okay. Now repeat with me. Better late than never. It's better to do something late than not do it at all. Late is okay, but nothing is not okay.
Look at that restaurant. It looks so small and old. I don't think the food is good.
Don't judge too fast, Anna. Let's try it first.
Okay, wow, the food is amazing.
See? Don't judge a book by its cover.
The phrase is don't judge a book by its cover. It means don't decide if something is good or bad just by looking at the outside. For example, a person may look shy, but maybe they are very smart or funny. Another way to say it is, the outside doesn't always show the inside. Now repeat with me. Don't judge a book by its cover. Don't decide only by the outside. The outside doesn't always show the inside.
John, your guitar playing is really good now.
Thank you, Anna. I practice every day.
Wow, I can see the difference.
Yes, practice makes perfect. The more I play, the better I get.
The phrase is practice makes perfect. It means if you practice many times, you will become very good at something. For example, if you practice speaking English every day, your English will improve. Another way to say it is, if you keep trying, you will get better. Now repeat with me. Practice makes perfect. If you practice many times, you will become good. If you keep trying, you will get better.
John, why are you eating with chopsticks? You don't usually do that.
Well, we are in Japan now. People here use chopsticks.
Oh, I see.
Yes, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. We should follow the local customs.
The phrase is when in Rome, do as the Romans do. It means when you are in a new place, follow the habits or culture of the people there. For example, when I visited India, I ate food with my hands. Another way to say it is, in a new place, Act like the local people. Now repeat with me. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Follow the customs of the place you are in. In a new place, act like the local people. Great work today, my friends. We learned 5 powerful phrases in English. Actions speak louder than words. Better late than never. Don't judge a book by its cover. Practice makes perfect. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. Remember, don't just listen. Say them out loud with me. The more you practice, the easier it will be to use them in real life. And hey, this is just part 1. In the next video, we'll learn 5 more phrases that are super useful in daily life. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who also wants to improve English. Which phrase from today is your favorite? Write it in the comments. I'd love to see your answers. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video, part 2. Bye-bye.